A stroke is a serious medical event that occurs when blood flow to the brain is interrupted. This interruption prevents brain tissue from receiving oxygen and nutrients, leading to cell death. Strokes can cause lasting brain damage, long-term disability, or even death. Understanding the risk factors associated with stroke is crucial for prevention. Among these risk factors, diet plays a significant role. What we consume directly affects our cardiovascular health, influencing blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood clotting. By making conscious dietary choices, we can significantly reduce our risk of experiencing a stroke. This essay aims to shed light on specific foods that can increase stroke risk. We will delve into why these foods are harmful and provide healthier alternatives to help you make informed decisions for a stroke-free life. Remember, taking proactive steps towards a healthier diet is an investment in your long-term health and well-being. Excessive sodium intake is a major contributor to high blood pressure, a leading cause of stroke. When we consume too much sodium, our bodies retain water, increasing the volume of blood in our circulatory system. This puts extra strain on our blood vessels, including those in the brain, increasing the risk of a rupture or blockage. Many processed foods, canned goods, and restaurant meals are laden with hidden sodium. These foods often rely on salt for flavor enhancement and preservation, making it easy to consume excessive amounts unknowingly. To protect your brain health, it's crucial to limit your sodium intake. Read food labels carefully, paying close attention to sodium content. Aim to cook more meals at home where you have greater control over sodium levels. Opt for fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, which are naturally lower in sodium. By reducing your sodium intake, you can help regulate your blood pressure, reduce strain on your blood vessels, and significantly lower your risk of stroke. Not all fats are created equal. While some fats are beneficial for our health, others can wreak havoc on our cardiovascular system, increasing the risk of stroke. Saturated and trans fats, found abundantly in fried foods, fatty meats, and processed snacks, are the main culprits. These unhealthy fats contribute to the buildup of plaque in our arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. As plaque accumulates, it narrows the arteries, restricting blood flow. If a blood clot forms in a narrowed artery leading to the brain, it can block blood flow, causing a stroke. To safeguard your brain health, prioritize healthy fats while limiting saturated and trans fats. Incorporate sources of omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, tuna, walnuts, and flax seeds into your diet. These healthy fats have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve overall heart health. By making smart choices about the types of fats you consume, you can promote healthy blood flow, reduce plaque buildup, and significantly decrease your risk of stroke. Section 4, beware of added sugars. The sweet allure of sugar can have bitter consequences for our brain health. Consuming excessive amounts of added sugar, commonly found in sugary drinks, processed snacks, and desserts, can contribute to a cascade of negative health effects that increase stroke risk. Added sugar spikes blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation and insulin resistance. Over time, this can damage blood vessels, making them more susceptible to plaque buildup. Additionally, excess sugar contributes to weight gain, a significant risk factor for stroke. To protect your brain, limit your intake of added sugars. Be mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods by carefully reading food labels. Opt for whole fruits instead of sugary drinks and processed snacks. By reducing your sugar intake, you can help regulate your blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and maintain a healthy weight, all of which contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system and a lower risk of stroke. Section 5. Processed meats, a recipe for disaster. Processed meats such as bacon, sausage, and deli meats may be convenient, but they come at a cost to our health, particularly our brain health. These meats are often high in saturated fat, sodium, and nitrates, all of which contribute to an increased risk of stroke. The high sodium content in processed meats raises blood pressure, putting extra strain on blood vessels in the brain. Saturated fat contributes to plaque buildup, narrowing arteries and restricting blood flow. Nitrates, used as preservatives, can damage blood vessels, making them more susceptible to clots. For a healthier alternative, opt for lean protein sources like fish, poultry without skin, beans, lentils, and tofu. These protein sources provide essential nutrients without the harmful additives found in processed meats. By limiting your consumption of processed meats, you can help lower your blood pressure, reduce plaque buildup, and protect the health of your blood vessels, significantly reducing your risk of stroke. Section 6. Embracing a stroke-preventing diet. Protecting your brain health through a healthy diet is an empowering step towards a longer, healthier life. By making conscious food choices and incorporating the recommendations outlined in this essay, you can significantly reduce your risk of stroke. Remember to limit your sodium intake, choose healthy fats over unhealthy ones, be mindful of added sugars, and reduce or eliminate processed meats from your diet. Embrace a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber that promote overall health and well-being. They help regulate blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and protect your blood vessels, all of which are crucial for stroke prevention. Making gradual changes to your diet and adopting a holistic approach to health can lead to significant improvements in your overall